After a fitful and pleasant rest, and with no surprises in the night, the band awoke. After some breakfast, Maldus and Cloud went to look at the portal. You think this will work? I guess we'll find out soon. Hope everyone is ready to travel. I'm just putting out the last of the fire, and Liang is topping up our water skins from the well. Any idea where it'll take us? Yeah, I'm sure it'll be somewhere lovely, said Cloud with a grin. A few moments later the band stood by the portal. Maldus spoke the word, and the world flashed. When their vision returned, the portal had opened. Through the swirling magic, the group could see a land beyond, a land of fire and scorched ebony ground. Is that a volcano? Didn't you, say somewhere nice, Cloud? That's no holiday place. I recognise that landscape from my clan Aramente. That's the elemental plane of fire. Oh, thank goodness. I was worried it was the Nine Hells for a moment there. And with that, the band stepped through the portal to be whisked on the next stage of their adventure.